I got a divorce before the removal of my conditions on my 2-year temporary green card. Now what? Can I still get a 10-year green card? And the answer is yes. So if you had a bona fide marriage from the beginning, you married for love, you didn't marry for a green card, but something went astray, your spouse, whether he cheated or he left, or there was things that you found out about him that you can't continue on with, or her can't continue on with, and you decided to get a divorce, but you only have your 2-year temporary green card because when you got your green card, you had only been married for a couple years. Well, here's the thing. You have to prove to USCIS that you were in it to win it. You have to prove and show evidence that you were living together, you had joint assets, you had joint liabilities, that you were in a bona fide relationship as spouses. Okay? And then show where the marriage broke down. And then you can file for your green card, your I-751, removal of conditions, single versus joint. Now, of course, this is something that has its, intricacies and things like that, the reasons why people do this, the reasons why people don't do it. But I'm just letting you know that if you got divorced or are on the verge of divorce, prior to the removal of your conditions application, you still have an opportunity to file that application. You would have to file it single instead of joint, and then you would have to show and prove that you originally entered into your marriage that was bona fide and that there was just a breakdown, but you still deserve a 10-year green card. If this is something that you are going through, please reach out to us. We have done tons of these, but it's something that you do need a knowledgeable and experienced immigration attorney to help you navigate it so that it could get approved and you don't have to worry about a denial and possibly a notice to appear in immigration court because now you have a denied application. Because understand, your temporary green card is just that. And USCIS issues the 2-year temporary green card to see if after those 2 years, if you are still in a bona fide marriage, that is the way that you get your 10-year green card. So if that's not the case, then you definitely have to show why in order for you to get a 10-year green card and move on without your spouse with that petition.